Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most exciting VR headsets right now, the Meta Quest 3's 256GB, and trust me, this is not just an upgrade, this is a big leap forward in standalone virtual reality. So first of all, what makes the Meta Quest 3's special? This headset gives you 33% more memory, 2 times the graphical processing power, and completely wire-free VR gaming. That means no PC, no console, no cables, just put it on and jump straight into virtual worlds. Now let's talk about performance. The Meta Quest 3's uses a new generation Snapdragon XR processor, which makes everything smoother, games load faster, environments look sharper, and motion feels much more realistic. If you ever felt motion sickness in older VR headsets, this one handles it much better because of improved frame rates and tracking. And the display, wow. You get much better clarity, better colors, and a more immersive field of view. Text is sharper, objects look more real, and you actually feel like you are inside the game or movie. Another huge plus is storage. This version comes with 256GB, so you can install many big VR games without worrying about deleting anything. Now let's talk about content. With this headset, you get Batman, Arkham Shadow included, and also access to more than 40 games and experiences. That's insane value right out of the box. The controllers are also improved, better tracking, better haptics, and more precise movement. Whether you're playing shooting games, fitness games, or exploring VR worlds, the control feels very natural. Battery life is good for long sessions, and the headset is more comfortable and better balanced than older models, so less pressure on your face. So who is this for? If you are a gamer, a student, a fitness user, or someone who wants to experience future technology today, this is one of the best VR headsets you can buy right now. And yes, this is a product I would actually recommend. If you want the best standalone VR experience without wires, this is it.